Welcome to the Swedish Maker. Today we're making a coffee cup chandelier. So a couple of years ago, me and my wife got married in a barn and we refurnished the whole barn, and one thing we did was this coffee cup light made from old porcelain cups. And we really love that lamp, so now we're going to make a chandelier. And the first thing we had to do was go get some old cups from a flea market. So we have all the stuff we need here on the table, and it's time to cut the holes in all of these cups. And we're going to do that with a diamond drill, and it's important to pour water at the same time. That makes it a lot easier to drill the holes in the cups. And once we have all the holes, we're going to attach these sockets, the cables, the lamps, and we'll put that on through this plate, which is something we just had lying around. So that's going to be the top of the lamp, where all the cables are going to gather in here. So let's get to drilling all the holes. Alright, so we have done all the holes in the cups and the plates as well. So it's time for all the cables and shit. And we have this green cable. It's going in here into the cup. And that's it. So let's just cut the cable and connect them to all of these and put them in the cups.
Still see, can't get it out of my mind. Started counting up I'm ready to fall. I've been holding in everything. I just wanna say the words out loud. I won't let it get the best of me. Gravity holds the key for me now. I'm ready to fall. I'm leaving it all behind. I'm ready to fall. All of these ghosts, I'm letting them go this time.
So what we're doing here is we're connecting all the wires in a series. All the blue and brown wires are connected through a series. And we're just going through all of them. And hopefully it will light up once we try it. We'll see.
I'm ready to fall.
Yay! So that's it. I think this chandelier turned out really good, and I can't wait to see what it looks like when we're done with our hallway where it's going to hang. Thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't, and ask anything down below in the comments, and I'll try to answer as much of it as I can. And I will see you guys next week. Bye.